Yo, Edmonton teachers, what's up? My name is AJA Louden, and I'm a local artist who's painted large-scale murals all over our city. I've taught over 1,000 Albertan students, many of them right here in Edmonton, about the history and culture of street art and graffiti, and how I go from an idea into a finished piece of art. I want to connect with even more students, so I created a workshop series called Letters with Flavour. We start with a live Q&A, either remote or right in your classroom, so that your class can interact directly with a pro artist who has work all around Edmonton. The workshop teaches your students how to express their identity through custom hand-drawn letters. Each student creates an art piece that says their name, but also expresses their identity, like a logo, but cooler. Reach out today to sign your class up. You can DM me on here or send me an email. The link's in my bio.